This video is sponsored by OnePlus. What's going on, guys? It's UrAvgConsumer, and today we've got something special. The folks over at OnePlus sent us a special little box with some of their newest devices. So let's go ahead, unbox this thing, and see what they've come up with. All right, so let's pop this thing open. Now, of course, this is like a PR box, so we got a little bit more than your standard packaging. But here it is, baby. The OnePlus 11 5G. We'll get to that in just a second. Now, we also have these earbuds. These are the OnePlus Buds Pro 2 in amber green, arbor green, I can't read. We're gonna get to that as well, but you know OnePlus, you guys. Whenever they've got like this special packaging, got a little bit more in the box. So we got this red tab over here. We're gonna pull this out. Now let's see what we got in here. Welcome to Cloud 11. Guessing that's better than Cloud 9, right? And a quick word from OnePlus about the 11 5G. And then, is this a case? They always throw in a nice case. So the sandstone case, per the usual. Not mad at that. All right, so let's start off with the OnePlus 5G. That's why we're here, right? All right, so here it is, the OnePlus 11 5G. And of course, the box has that Hasselblad collaboration, so you know we're gonna see Hasselblad play a part in the camera system here. Let's go ahead and pop it open. Of course, up top, we're gonna have some paperwork, stickers. Is that new to OnePlus? And an adapter, USB A to C, all here. Now, we have the phone itself. What color is this? Did they send me the eternal green? Let's go. Now, we also have our Super VOOC charger. Now, the North American version is going to come with an 80-watt Super VOOC charger. Other regions are gonna have 100 watts. Insane numbers. It's the same charger, but when North American users go abroad and they have access to those higher voltage outlets, then they'll also be able to take advantage of that 100-watt charging. And we've also got our cable. We got our crazy chargers and cable. Now, let's get to this guy. My goodness. But all right, here it is, you guys. The OnePlus 11 5G in eternal green. I think the other color option is Titan black. If you know me, you already know. Eternal green is right up my alley. And this thing looks clean. Surprisingly, it's got like this glossy back, so you can see your reflection, and this camera system. That looks nuts. So we got the Hasselblad camera system over here, and this is their K-shaped curve around the camera system.
Okay, the letter K?
The letter K. You see like the bop, bop, bop. Yeah, you see it? You see it?
Yeah.
And real quick, while we're on the camera system, OnePlus is calling this their 3 main sensor system. So we should be seeing main camera quality on each lens. I feel like that's a bold statement. So we'll go ahead and test out all 3 lenses and see if they have the qualities to have that main in the name for them. To give like a quick tour around the device, you got your volume buttons on the left side, power on the right, as well as your switch if you want to silence your phone. Bottom, we have USB Type-C, as well as your SIM tray over here, speaker. Now I'm gonna go ahead and power this guy on, go through the setup process, and we'll talk about them specs. While the phone's over there doing its thing, let's really quickly jump into the OnePlus Buds Pro 2. All right, Buds for life. Oh, that's cute. That's cute, Buds for life, you get it? It's like us, you guys. We're all buds for life over here. So underneath the earbuds, you've got additional ear tips. And then over here, what do we got? Like a charging cable? Yeah, USB-C to A, short cable. And I believe these, when you charge them for 10 minutes, you get like 10 hours of listening, which is wild. All right, so let's take a look at what the buds look like. All right, let's pop it open. Oh, it's got a nice snap to it too. All right, you guys, so check it out. These are the OnePlus Buds Pro 2, and they got the similar look to the previous generation. Now they got this dope color, which I'm a fan of. So this is arbor green, and this is eternal green. Whoop, whoop, whoop. You like that, right, Jay? But these go perfectly with each other, which obviously makes sense. Now these guys right here have what OnePlus is calling their Melody Boost dual drivers. So So I definitely want to check that out and hear how those sound. But these are also going to be capable of spatial audio, with Android 13. And of course, these are going to have noise cancellation. So if you're big on that, you got them here as well. Now let's put them in the ear and see what they look like. How are we looking, Jay?
Clean.
Clean?
Yeah.
It's the best color in the world. How could they not be? Now these are also touch enabled, so you can just hold it. Hey. What's going on, Jay?
What's up, Josh?
These are actually pretty good in terms of transparency. Listen, when it comes to like transparency mode, a lot of earbuds really struggle with that, but these are surprisingly good. But yeah, first impressions on these, not bad. We gotta pair it up with the phone and try some music though. But speaking of the phone, let's get back to it. All right, so now that I've got this thing all set up, let's go ahead and talk about the specs. So what we're looking at here is 2K 120 Hz fluid display with LTPO 3.0. We also have 16 gigs of RAM Vita, which is actually RAM that uses AI and machine learning to best reallocate the RAM's resources, so it should be more efficient and a bit smoother. Not to mention 256 gigs of USF 4.0 storage. And of course, you got a 5,000 milliamp hour battery inside of here. And it's of course running on the Snapdragon Gen 2 mobile platform. So you've got all the latest and greatest for Android. So now that we're familiar with the phone overall, let's go ahead and test out these cameras, right? That makes sense?
K camera.
The K curve.
Oh, K curve.
On the Hasselblad camera.
Oh.
K curve is the design,
Oh.
Yeah. Let's do it. Now, when you're looking at the numbers, this has a really beefy camera system. I'm talking 50 megapixel main camera lens, as well as a 48 megapixel ultra wide and a 32 megapixel portrait telephoto lens. So we gotta start right away, right? This is gonna be a challenging shot. We got light, all this. I'm gonna go ahead and make the very first photo. This guy right here. We even got some lens flare. Okay, I'll take it.
That's the main one?
Yeah, this is the main. And it handles different exposures pretty well. And this right here is where I think we're seeing OnePlus's Turbo Raw HDR really come into play here. The lights look good. The light on the ring looks good. Even the colors in the background. This is...
The sunlight is not always full?
No, not at all.
The shadows one?
Yeah. You know what? Now I'm gonna get daring. And I'm gonna put even a little bit more sun in there. Yeah, this is gonna be challenging right here. The areas with the sun, you can see the rays against the window. Even though this is a really bright backlit environment, you can see the subject super clearly while still seeing the LED lights on that ring light behind it. This is a really challenging shot and it did a very good job. Now, here's the thing. I wanna see how those other lenses perform as well since they're, they're all main sensors now, right? Let's see what the quality's like here. This is an ultra wide, so let's see how this goes. That's not bad. Now we did get way more light into the sensor because this is wide. Let me try telephoto now. Okay.
What do you say, Judd?
It's legit, taking pictures of one of my favorite things. It's working out pretty well. But now we gotta do some people. We gotta see how that works, right? Dom, jump in there, man. You knew what was happening, man. All right, let's go portrait mode because there's like a Hasselblad portrait mode. We got the light on Dom's face looking like a model over here. Let's actually go to the 1x. That's a clean shot, man. Oh shit, no, this is actually really impressive. Look at the chin hairs. All right, we gotta change up the skin. We gotta challenge it with some, some darker skin. All right, let me stop with my Vogue photo shoot over here. Let's see. Maybe we're cheating. I had the sun on my face, lighting me up. Let's make it harder.
Wait, so that looks good?
That looks really good. I'd say so.
Okay.
All right, let's do it in a little bit of shade, Dom. Let's do it one more time. Here, I'll hold the camera. Makes it even more challenging with some more edges.
You're selling this camera.
Shoot, it's selling itself. Let me see that, Dom. No edits, just straight up, out the camera. Let me know what you guys think down below. Okay, so we talked about the camera a lot, but now let's talk about the earbuds. I wanna try these out, see how they hold up. I guess we gotta pair them, right? Oh, pops right up, not mad at that. Now what's pretty dope is that you can jump into the setting and go to earbud functions. And in here, you have access to all of your controls. You even get access to personalized noise cancellation. So you can turn that on, it'll do a test to see what best fits you. Spatial audio, we can turn on, let's do fixed. And it's cool that we're finally starting to see spatial audio really come to Android and that these take advantage of it. So if you wanna get that immersive sound or hear the different things happening in your audio in different locations, this is a feature you're absolutely going to wanna turn on. It really changes the way you hear audio if it's tuned for it. Okay, interesting. This even has like a Zen mode where you can squeeze the buds for 3 seconds to start playing white noise. So I guess if you just need to tune people out or you need to calm down, something, go into your Zen mode. Yeah, you have the ability to do that. I've never seen that before. That's pretty cool. And last but not least, let's see, camera related? You can take photos with the earbuds? Stop playing. Let's give it a shot. Oh, there you go. Nice, okay. Lots of features. Oh, these sound pretty good. I'm not mad at these at all. Okay, but I'm not gonna sit here and give you guys like a full review because it's just first impressions, couple minutes with the earbuds. But so far, they sound pretty solid. But yeah, let me know if you guys wanna see a full review on the Buds Pro 2, and not to mention, of course, the OnePlus 11 5G. But that about wraps it up for this video, guys. Hopefully you enjoyed it. Hopefully you like this first look at the device. I'll catch you guys in the next one. Till then, it's your average consumer. Peace. Seriously, why don't all phones just have like this color? Make me a lot happier.
What about me?
What color you want?
I don't know.